going to see mechanic properties of solid fluids. You're going to see solid and also you're going to see fluids. Okay. 10th one is KTG and thermodynamics. You're going to see KTG also. Thermodynamics means heat, temperature. If you have fever, okay. So if you put here means you can feel heat. If you put temperature, you can see how many Celsius, Fahrenheit. So this is called thermodynamics. Okay. 11th one is center of mass. Okay. This is super easy. Okay, don't matter. Okay. 12th one is gravitation. Yeah. Gravitation. 13th one you're going to see is kinetic theory of gas. Okay. Kinetic theory of gases. Okay, this is also going to see 13th one. 14th one you're going to see is waves. Can we keep 16? Yeah, sorry. Yeah, 15 is okay because I don't have space actually. Okay, waves and oscillation. Oh, sorry, I have forgotten N. Oscillations. So the last but not least, it's errors and measurement. Errors and measurement. But this is basic physics. But why you are seeing the last chapter in this? You see, screw guard. Screw guard is like measurement. That's why they ask the numerical questions and theory. Okay, that's all for physics. Yeah, that's all for physics. Okay. I think you have understand it. Okay. Great. Sorry. KDG. Okay. 11th, the last subject you're going to see. Okay. Last subject you're going to see is, yes, you know it, chemistry. Okay. How many chapters are there, sir? How many there are? 12 chapters. Other 12 chapters. These chapters you're going to see. Okay. So first one you're going to see is some basics of chemistry. Oh, sorry, I forgot something. Okay, wait. So this is chemistry. Okay, it will divide like 3 parts. Okay, 3 parts. It will show in organic chemistry, and physical chemistry. So actually, how means in this one will be like physics and maths, like that, like problem solving like this. Yeah. So that's how physics based like this. Physics. Organic means theory. Inorganic means like periodic table, like chemical bonding, like this only. That's all finished. Here's that register. Okay, so some basics of chemistry. Second one is structure of atom. Have you heard about Dalton, the discover of atom? Don't know means you can study this only. I'll teach. Okay. Structure of atom means N is equal to A minus Z, nucleons, electrons, protons, that you're going to study this. Okay, so the next one you're going to see is what okay, equilibrium. Equilibrium. Equilibrium means, wait, yeah, I'll teach equilibrium like this. I think so. I don't know. Wait. Okay, actually, there are two types of equilibrium. I forgot to tell you. Okay, equilibrium means they are one is chemical equilibrium, another one is ionic. Okay, so these are one toughest chapter we're going to see in physical chemistry. Okay, so the fourth one you're going to study is redox reaction. This also you're going to study, and yeah, if you saw this meaning, you get scared. Like, how can I teach, sir? Leave it to me. I will teach you the best, zero to hero. Okay. So the fifth one you're going to study is GOC. Okay. Wait. This is physical. 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 This one will be organic. Organic chemistry you're going to see in GOC. Okay. Understand? Understand. Okay. GOC. Sixth one you're going to see is chemical bonding. Chemical bonding. This you're going to see is inorganic chemistry. Here only you're going to study is chemical bonding. Seventh one is P block. Actually, P block will be like 11th and 12th only having it, but for this 11th only. And again, this one is inorganic chemistry. Eighth one is periodic table. Yeah. Periodic table. This also you're going to study inorganic chemistry. Ninth one you're going to study is IUPAC nomenclature, that is organic chemistry. 10th one is hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon. This one is again organic chemistry, okay? 11th one is isomerism. Isomerism. So 12th will be like, so that's is organic chemistry, okay? 12th one will be like, yeah, I think I don't know. Thermodynamics. Thermodynamics you're going to see in physical, okay? So these are all chemistry class 11. So yeah, understand? Yes. So class 11 completer. Yeah, completer. So you're going to see class 12th, okay? Next. So first let me rub it, okay? Okay, GOC. Okay, so okay, class 12 numbers. So you are going to see your standard syllabus. Okay, so first is max. Okay, so totally how many chapters are there? Only 8 chapters. Sir, it is so easy, 8 chapters. No. The one and only chapter, it is so difficulty. I'll tell, okay, which is difficulty. Number 1, determinant. Just like metrics, okay? Number 2, relations and functions. That is part 2. Number 3, okay, inverse. trigonometric function. Trigonometric function. That you 12th only. I already told you, so 11th also I have trigonometry, but this is inverse, like sine to power minus 1, like that inverse, like, okay. So fourth will be like metrics. Okay. Metrics means determinants group, okay. Fifth one is calculus. Now this is the toughest chapter. You don't know what is calculus? Wait. Calculus means like this one, like dy by dx, like this. Sorry, how to put it here only now. Like this, and also limit x 0 y, everything like this. Sorry, x square. Sorry, x square. Like this, it will come. Calculus will come. Okay, will come. Okay, so calculus is too hard only. Okay, leave it to me. I'll come 0 to 0. Praise Lord. The sixth one is vector. Vectors. You're going to see vectors. Okay, you're going to study physics, but you'll study 12th only. Okay. Seventh probability. That was for 12th. You're going to study 12th part 2. Eighth one is the last but not least, three-dimensional geometry. Okay, these are max syllabus for class 12th. Okay, so I'll make sure you have to make you easy for calculus. Okay, clear? Understand? Hello. Okay, sorry. Okay, the next one you're going to see for 12th is physics. How many chapters are there? 12 chapters. Okay, the chapter 1 is electric charges and fields. Electric charges and fields. So if you notice that it will be electrical physics, you're going to study fully in 12th. Okay, so second one is electric potential capacitance. Okay, I'll fight. Okay, I will go study. Okay, I'll fight it. Okay, so the third one you're going to see is current electricity. Okay, current electricity. Third one. The fourth one you're going to see is magnetism. Am I right? Yeah, magnetism. Okay, so magnet repulsive. Okay, so the fifth one you're going to see is electromagnetic induction. Okay, electromagnetic induction. So we have started, we have ended. So we're going to see sixth. Electromagnetic waves. Electromagnetic waves. Okay, so this group is electromagnetic group. This one is a group of electromagnet. Okay, understand. Okay, the seventh you're going to see is optics. Okay, optics is going to mean light. Okay, light. Eighth one is alternating current. Alternating current. யாரு வீடியோ இதுக்கு வீடியோ எடுத்துட்டு இருக்கோம். அதான் வீடியோ படிக்கலாம். ஓகே, வீடியோ பிஸியா இருக்கு, நோ டிஸ்டர்ப் பண்ணதுக்கே. ஓகே, ninth one is wave optics. Another part. Okay, sorry, I forgot to read. Optics. So 10th one is modern physics. Okay, modern physics. 11th one you're going to see is semiconductors. So semiconductors. Okay, so the 12th one, but last but not least, atoms and nuclei. Okay, these are all finished. Okay, for physics. Wait, now only சொல்லி கொடுக்கல. Okay, and then first day syllabus மட்டும் search. Okay, last but not least, chemistry. Okay, chemistry. How many chapters? 12 chapters. Okay, 12 chapters. So number 1 is solutions from physical chemistry. Number 2, electrochemistry will be physical chemistry. Third one is chemical kinetics. Okay, so wait. Okay, that is also physical chemistry. So these only 3 skill kinetics. See, physical chemistry. Okay, fourth one you're going to see is amines. Amines is organic chemistry. Okay, fifth one is biomolecules, and also organic chemistry. Sixth one is alcohols. Sorry, no, and wait. Okay, and phenols and ether. Sorry, ether. That also organic chemistry. Seventh one is aldehydes, ketones. So ketones and Okay. Carbo. Oh my god. These letters are too so hard actually. Can you feel the hard? I think yes. Organic chemistry. 8-1 is okay. Hello. So hello. Kins. Kins? Sure. Sorry. Kins. And Halorens. Hello. Hello. Halorens. Okay. Halorens. Okay. This one is organic chemistry. Okay. This is not organic chemistry only. 5 only. Okay. So last one is inorganic chemistry fully only. So P block elements part 2. I already told you in organic chemistry. 10th one is salt analysis. Okay, this is also in organic chemistry. Okay, salt. 11th one is B and F block. First time study, basic to advanced. Okay, in organic chemistry. 12th, but last but not least, okay, coordinates compounds, and that's it. Finished. The JEE 2027 fully syllabus finished. Okay, so I'm going to take one news for you. Okay, wait, let me just so one event. So I'm going to open one event. That event is, wait, let me take the blue marker. Event is athletes. Okay, sorry, don't want this letter. Athletes JEE 2027. Okay, so for class 11 event is cricketers JEE 27. Okay, batch. Okay, for class 12 event is runners JEE 27 batch. So actually you think that is so. This will be free on YouTube series. Okay. So actually get attended and join the community. Okay. Join the community. And tomorrow I will take class 7, class 12, class combined, not separate subjects. Okay. So thank you. Have a good day. Thank you.